Hey guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So today's video is not gonna be like your regular kind of video. Today's video is basically eyebrow must-have tutorial. Okay, so it's gonna be a detailed eyebrow must-have. So if you really want to know the things that you need for your eyebrows, then stick into this video and let's get started. So I'm gonna start sharing with you guys and also attach the video somewhere here or here. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys the products, like the things you need for your eyebrow. So this is eyebrow gel right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, and inside use black like this. Okay, so if that makes any sense. What this one does is when you have your brush, using this eyebrow gel right here to draw your eyebrows up, and it's kind of, you can also use it to fill in your eyebrows. If you use it, you draw it to your taste. We need to know the kind of shade or the kind of color that is good for our skin. Okay, so if you're dark, it's not good for you, so something light brown is what you need. Okay, so the number 2 one is this eye pencil right here. So this is a wound eye pencil. Okay, so basically you can use this one as well to, you know, draw your eyebrows up and give it a shape. Use your concealer to normalize it, and a lot of you guys knows how to use this particular one right here. So it's not it's not a big deal, it's not something new, because majority of us in our various homes we have this eye pencil and we know how to use it. But I just feel like, you know, to remind you again, if you don't know, that you can use your eye pencil at home to achieve your eyebrow goals. So basically, I forgot to mention to you guys that, like I said earlier, you can still use any shade, any color of eyebrow that you want depending on your skin tone. Okay, then you can, this right here is from e.l.f. and this is a medium brown. So I open it like this. Basically I open it this way, so this is how it looks like inside. So I use this as well to draw my eyebrow, but not always, not like my favorite. Okay, but on a regular basis I use it to draw my eyebrows. One of my favorites that I really want to share with you guys in this video is Kiss Beauty Eyebrow Styling Gel. This right here is a must-have when it comes to eyebrow tutorial. Okay, like you guys know that eyebrow is one of my most lazy thing to do. Okay, when it comes to makeup, before I have that strength to do it, but it's no longer like now. Like if you are a lazy kind when it comes to eyebrow, then you must definitely have this, because this right here, oh my god, I can't. Okay, I can't. Like this right here is a lifesaver. So I'm really gonna put the video how you can do it. I'll put it in the screen for you guys to see. Then another one again is this O.T.W.O here, because this one right here is Kiss Beauty and O.T.W.O. So, and another one again right here is Color. So I have 3 different brands and they do different things. I think these 2 right here, again, these 2 right here does the same thing, and this one does something different, I guess. So if you're someone who is always lazy when it comes to eyebrow, then you must definitely have this at home, because it's one of the most easiest way you can apply your brows, then apply your concealer. But this right here doesn't require you about concealer. It doesn't need, if you like, but as soon as you apply this right here, applying concealer is by choice, is not compulsory, is not mandatory. So it's basically something you need to apply and, you know, just start going, or you can as well as apply it after your makeup is ready. So it doesn't require you anytime you are ready. It's just something very, very easy and simple to use when it comes to eyebrow tutorial. So this is my eyebrow powder seal. So this right here is basically one of my favorite when it comes to eyebrow tutorial. As you guys have watched a lot of my makeup tutorials, and you will see at the beginning or at the end, I'll end up, you know, brushing my brows up and apply my brow powder, because this brow powder is amazing, and it's also one of my lazy eyebrow tutorial. Okay, and you guys know that eyebrow is the weak point of a woman when it comes to makeup, and you can't afford to wear nonsense outside. So you basically need to calm down, prepare yourself, like don't talk. If there is anything that keeps me mouth shut is when I'm doing my eyebrow. You will not hear my voice. Don't tell anybody. So that is it. And this right here is very easy, simple. It is the most simplest thing I have figured out in this my makeup tutorial journey. Okay, so yeah, and I hope you guys are learning the things you must have if you really want to do your eyebrows, or if you are a quick person, because I don't like all those things like taking time, be brushing it, drawing it, filling it in and all of that. I don't have that strength. Okay, so it's basically something very as simple as ABC. So another thing again is, if there is any other thing you need for eyebrow, is basically this right here. This is eyebrow brush, so you can use it to brush your eyebrows like this up, and is something that you can use with this right here, and you can basically use it with this, and also use it with this and this. So these things, they require you of this. Okay, so if you really want to do your brows with this, this is brow soaps. Okay, brow soap. Oh my god. So this one here is eyebrow shaver, and it comes in brown. This comes with this. Maybe after shaving you can now, you know, apply this. So it's basically come with the other one, and you just draw it like this and move it this way, just to use it to trim your eyebrows. Yeah guys, I hope you all really enjoyed this video. So if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe in the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you all in my next video.